Welcome back to Alicia's Fact Junction. You guys know I'm obsessed with weird and interesting facts, and today we're diving deep into the world of blood. Blood types, to be exact. Did you know your blood type could impact everything from your health to even your personality? Okay, maybe that last one is up for debate, but trust me, there's so much you probably don't know about those little letters and plus and minus signs that define our blood. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're about to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about blood groups. Make sure you stick around until the end, because some of these are seriously wild. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's get into it. Okay, so this first one is more like a popular belief than hard science, but it's still super interesting. In some Asian countries like Japan and Korea, people are really into the idea that your blood type can say a lot about your personality. Like, for real, they take it seriously. Apparently, if you're type A, you're seen as super chill, organized, and maybe a little shy. Type O, you're the life of the party, outgoing, confident, and a natural leader. It's kind of like horoscopes, but with blood. Get ready for some rare blood type action. Ever heard of the Bombay blood group? Yeah, me neither until I started researching for this video. It's rare and was first discovered in Mumbai, which used to be called Bombay, back in 1952. What makes it so special? Well, it doesn't have the usual A, B or H antigens that most blood types have. It's like the unicorn of blood types. Okay guys, buckle up, because this next one is straight out of a movie. There's a blood type so rare it's literally called golden blood, no joke. It's scientifically known as Rachenol, and it's like finding a golden ticket, but instead of going to a chocolate factory, you get to be part of an exclusive club of less than 50 people who have it. I know, right? Golden blood is super important because it can be given to anyone with Rh negative blood, which is a much larger group of people. Talk about being a universal lifesaver. Chapter 4. The Universal Plasma Heroes. Speaking of lifesavers, let's talk about our next blood type superstar, AB. These guys are the universal plasma donors, which means their plasma can be given to anyone, regardless of their blood type. It's like having a VIP pass to help anyone in need. Why are they so special? Well, AB plasma doesn't have the antibodies that attack other blood types. Think of it like a peace treaty in a blood bag. Chapter 5. Blood type inheritance. It's complicated. Ever wonder how you ended up with your blood type? Well, it's all thanks to your parents and a little thing called genetics. You get one gene from your mom and one from your dad, which determines your blood type. But hold up, it's not always as simple as you might think. Sometimes a child's blood type can be different from both parents, especially if there are recessive genes in the mix. It's like a genetic lottery. Chapter 6. The blood type diet. Fact or fiction? Okay, so this one's a little out there, but some people swear by it, the blood type diet. It's this idea that you should eat certain foods based on your blood type to be healthier and feel your best. Sounds interesting, right? But here's the thing, there's not a lot of scientific evidence to back it up. It's more like a fun experiment than anything else. Chapter 7. Blood types through time. Evolution in action. Get ready for a blast from the past, because we're going way back in time to talk about the evolution of blood types. Scientists believe that blood type O is the OG, the oldest one out there, evolving even before humans started farming. Then, as our diets changed and we moved around the world, blood types A and B came along. So cool to think about how our blood has evolved right along with us. Okay, this next fact is a little serious, but super important. Studies have shown that your blood type might actually play a role in your risk of developing certain diseases. For example, some studies suggest that people with type O blood might be less likely to have heart disease, which is good news for them. But on the flip side, they could be more vulnerable to things like cholera. It's a reminder that our blood types are part of what makes us unique, and they can impact our health in different ways. Alright, let's talk about everyone's least favourite summertime pest. Mosquitoes! You know how they always seem to be more attracted to some people than others? Well, guess what? It could be because of your blood type. Studies have shown that mosquitoes are particularly fond of people with type O blood. Something about their body chemistry just screams, "Come bite me," to those pesky insects. And finally, we've reached our last mind-blowing fact about blood types. Did you know that some people have really rare antibodies in their blood that make it super tricky to find a match for a transfusion? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. These rare antibodies can develop after things like blood transfusions or pregnancy. It's a good reminder of just how complex and amazing our blood really is. Wow, you guys, we've learned so much about blood types today. From the rare and mysterious to the everyday and essential, it's clear that our blood is pretty incredible. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of blood types as much as I did. It's amazing how something so small can have such a big impact on our lives. Would you like to focus on any specific blood group or explore more facts? Please like, share, comment your favorite facts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more facts only at Alicia's Fact Junction. Until next time, stay curious.